Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. I was making this and I thought, and I've covered this before, but this is the prime example to use your Alt key. So we're going to take an ellipse. I'm not going to do anything special to it. I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate. And while holding down the Shift button so it'll grow inside, I'm going to go like, well, I didn't make a duplicate. Control D, holding down the Shift, bring it in. Then when you Control D, those will be equal. For some reason, Control D works on that, and sometimes it doesn't on others. I'm going to go ahead and group that together. Then I'm going to go Control D. And while holding down the Control button, well, you need to grab the four-sided cross, and then you can start moving and hold down the Control button. And we want it to snap right to that. So it doesn't matter how many rings I did. Of course, the more rings, the more you're going to have to delete. But the Alt key is the key to this. So I'm going to get my virtual segment delete key. I'm going to zoom in a little bit, and I'm going to get my virtual segment delete key. And if I hold down the Alt key, I can draw a line through that curve. Now, if you don't, I have pretty good mouse to eye coordination. If you don't, you could do half of it and then come back and do the other half. And I still do that sometimes. You know, you start getting tired but if you can do it in one swoop, and then if you feel like you're getting off, just let go and start again. But the Alt key, to me, has always been a game changer, because if you didn't hold down the Alt key, you get that box, and that box is going to delete everything. So the Alt key, and just go through there, a couple more lines, and you can, you know, if you think you're better going to the right, and you could actually save time if you go, well, that didn't work. Hold down the Alt key. And if you feel like you could go both ways, you're going to be a little bit faster. And the good thing about it, if you make a mistake and actually hit one of the circle lines from the other graphic, you can just back up. And then I'm figuring out what to do with this, what kind of pattern I can make. But if we take all those lines and make them yellow and make them thicker than a hairline, that's too thick. And I like just showing them off with that's pretty cool graphic. But all done with the virtual segment delete key. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.